Have you ever wanted to be a superhero? Well, every superhero has at least one superpower that makes him super. This book gives us lots of great tips on how to be the best superhero that we can be. The 10 rules of being a superhero. Rule number 1. A superhero must always respond to a call for help, even if the odds are against him. Rule number 2. Saving the day is messy, but everyone understands, even Mom. Nobody said saving the day was glamorous. Rule number 3. Every superhero has at least one superpower that makes him super. What's your superpower? You might have more than one superpower. But the best way to find out is to finish the rest of the rules.